At some point, we will be able to use our models, as you were saying, with their language understanding and future video understanding to say, all right, like, let's do amazing things with a robot.
Did you hear that in a groundbreaking collaboration, Openai and 1X Robotics have unveiled a new robot that is capturing the attention of the tech world? This robot, known as the EV, is a fully autonomous robot that can operate on its own without the need for human guidance. It's a significant step forward in the field of humanoid robots, and it's sparking conversations about the future of artificial intelligence and the role of robots in our daily lives. The EVE robot is unique because it can charge itself, which means it doesn't need humans to keep it powered. This self-charging ability is a major development, as it allows the robot to work for extended periods without interruption. It's a key feature that could lead to robots being more integrated into various settings, from homes to businesses, without the need for constant human supervision. What sets the EVE robot unique from past models is its capacity to respond to its environment in real time. This is significant because it implies that the robot may perform jobs that call for quick decision-making in a manner similar to that of a human. The robot's sophisticated neural networks, which analyze information immediately and enable it to learn and adapt on the go, are what enable its fast responses. This deviates from conventional programming techniques and is necessary for the robot to carry out a variety of tasks. Additionally, the EVE robot has a novel hand design that allows it to grasp and control objects in a way that differs from human hands, but is still rather powerful. This invention increases the range of jobs the robot can perform and enhances its general performance. The robot's vision-based neural network also analyzes visual data quickly, allowing it to instantly adjust to changes in its surroundings. This is essential for jobs that call for quick thinking and accuracy. To work with these sophisticated robots, a new type of software developer called a Software 2.0 engineer is emerging. Instead of utilizing traditional coding, these experts use data to train the robot's neural networks. This change marks a new direction for software development and is essential for the creation of autonomous robotic systems. The strategic alliance between Openai and 1X Robotics aims to develop more advanced embodied AI systems by fusing robotics and AI. Industry insiders understand how the self-charging capability of the EV robot could affect robotics in the future. 1X Robotics has raised money, including a sizable contribution from Openai, to finance the continuous development of the EVE and the next bipedal android model, Neo. Neo is designed for domestic assistance and is capable of performing a wide range of tasks, which could transform the concept of home automation. In some instances, Neo could be operated remotely by human controllers who would manage its vision and movements. This opens up the possibility of new job sectors where operators can control robots from afar, extending human capabilities into different environments. The integration of humanoid robots into everyday life is promising, with potential uses in both residential and commercial areas. As these robots grow more ubiquitous, they are likely to create new job sectors centered on their management and maintenance, transforming the workforce and how humans interact with technology. The development of the EVE robot, a collaborative effort between 1X Robotics and Openai, represents a significant advancement in artificial intelligence. With capabilities like real-time operation, self-charging, and sophisticated neural networks, the EVE robot is poised to become a valuable tool in both home and business settings, marking the beginning of a new era in autonomous robotics. The Autonomous Robotics project by Openai is a game-changer for the sector. The use of sophisticated neural networks and visual data processing by these robots to learn and adapt portends a new age for task automation and manual labor. These robots are expected to transform work and open up new career options in the rapidly developing field of robotics as they become more integrated into a variety of industries. Openai's CEO, Sam Altman, hosted their first Developers Day, where he revealed major feature enhancements and plans for their AI models. It has been a year since the ChatGPT interface, which in just 2 months had 100 million users and crashed the internet. They currently have 100 million weekly active users. Even while it's not a brand new announcement, It offers significant upgrades that hint at what's to come in the upcoming year. The new support API and a marketplace for customized GPTs, like as one made especially for Canva workflows, are the first significant updates in a series that will enable ubiquitous artificial intelligence technology. Here's a summary of the most important lessons from the announcement. Shortly after the conclusion of OpenAI's major speech in San Francisco,
welcome to our first ever OpenAI Dev Day. We're thrilled that you're here, and this energy is awesome.
reporters went to a private room to speak with CEO Sam Altman and CTO Mira Murati. They went into further detail during the Q&A about the major announcement that had just been made on stage. OpenAI is introducing a platform for developing and finding unique ChatGPT versions. The launch of the iPhone App Store in 2008 and OpenAI's GPT Store, which is scheduled to launch in a few weeks, naturally have similarities. OpenAI is reaching out to developers who are enthusiastic about this new wave of technology, just like Apple did years ago, with the hopes of jointly developing a new, durable platform. The GPT Builder interface from OpenAI is quite easy to use. We've been witnessing demonstrations of OpenAI staff members creating unique GPT agents here at Dev Day. Building one requires absolutely no coding experience. One GPT was constructed in about 3 minutes, and it operated flawlessly. We believe there will be a large number of them generated, because they are created totally in natural language. The goal of OpenAI is to become the first real AI platform, but first, it must figure out how to pay creators transparently. We're going to start with just sharing a part of the ChatGPT subscription revenue overall, Altman said, when asked how the firm plans to determine its reimbursements to authors for the use of their custom GPTs through its shop. In addition to certain category incentives, there will be a tier determined by the number of active users you have. That will undoubtedly change a lot. The size of the input and the expense of operation have been two barriers to the use of GPT models. For the initial one regarding the constrained input context window, previously, GPT-4 was 8K32K. GPT-4 Turbo now accepts 128K tokens. Hence, it can accommodate roughly 300 pages of material, such as complete books, reports, legal documents, textbooks, and more. Larger inputs can unlock more robust applications. It is also 2-3 times less expensive. ChatGPT-4 now charges 1 cent for every 1,000 tokens completed, down from 3 cents in the past. More accessibility equals sign cheaper. GPT-4 Turbo is being added to ChatGPT, utilizing the most recent iteration of OpenAI's extensive language model. The chatbot can create and execute code, conduct data analysis, and browse the web. Additionally, it will not have the annoying drop-down model picker choice because it will automatically recognize which model to utilize. The Vision API will be accessible through GPT-4 Turbo. GPT has evolved from being limited to text input and output to becoming multimodal, able to process data from various sources, including documents, voice, and images. Image creation is effortless because of its hands-on integration with DALL-E 3. GPT versus Midjourney has the advantage that textual comprehension enables users to create more effective prompts, bringing the technology one step closer to pure natural language input. Take that, Gen 1 prompt engineers. There will also be text-to-speech capabilities. There are 2 distinct model versions for the new text-to-speech, TTS integration. The purpose of TTS1 is to optimize speed for real-time transcribing. TTS1 HD is quality-oriented. This makes it possible to engage with OpenAI models more naturally. This sophisticated application combines reasoning-based queries with vision-based inputs, such as a picture of an environment, to produce vocal outputs. Spatial GPTs will begin to appear everywhere. With Apple's $80 billion App Shop open, AI opens its GPT Store, which may make $T plus a year. Many developers can transition from plugin mode to full application mode. This combines custom data integration with previously available custom features, including systems-level prompting. The GPTs demonstrated a few samples. Use the Canva GPT to create a poster prototype, and the editor code GPT to answer any questions based on your particular knowledge, graph.org. quote, curricular information incorporated into the conversation window. Any platform will be able to incorporate agent-like experiences thanks to the Assistant API. With the back-end capabilities of open artificial intelligence, this new API will allow platforms to have customized integrations with natural language-based data analyzers and various smart assistants. What's more amazing is that their tooling will simplify the process of addressing issues related to state and prompt management, as well as limited capabilities. For Assistance API, there are 4 primary features: threading, enduring past in dialogue, recovery, integrated search, code interpreter, a functional Python interpreter running in a sandbox, function calling, the capacity to execute many functions at once. They demonstrated what a booking assistant on a travel website would look like. It can recall the chat history, import and decipher documents such as Airbnb receipts or airline details, and analyze those documents for multi-step functions like currency conversion and separating a tab every day. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it entertaining, then don't forget to hit that like button below. And if you want to stay updated with more great content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red button and just ringing the notification bell so you never miss any future content from us. Your support means the world to us.